Hello children, how are you all? Today we are doing second part of chapter 5, the Egyptian civilization. Let's recapitulate what we learned in last class. We learned that the Egyptian civilization flourished from 3000 BCE to 300 BCE. Modern Egypt is placed where the ancient Egyptian civilization flourished along the banks of the river. The Egyptian civilization is divided into three main periods represented by the Old Kingdom, the Middle Kingdom, and the New Kingdom. The ancient civilization rulers were given the title of pharaoh. They were on the top of the social hierarchy and enjoyed absolute power. The ancient Egyptian society was divided into three classes: the upper class, the middle class, the lower class. Men, women, and all social classes except slaves were equal under the law. The nuclear family was the core of the ancient Egyptian society. In religious belief, we came to know that Egyptians worshipped a large number of gods, and each religion had their own god. And Egyptians worship gods in many forms like animals, humans, and nature forces. Animals such as falcon, vulture, cobra, dog, cat, crocodile represented their gods. Their chief god or the important god was Re or Ra. It is mainly sun god. The pharaoh, which we already discussed, the rulers were given the title of pharaoh, was considered the son of Re, that is, their son of the chief god. Ptah was god of creation. Hathor was the goddesses of the music, dance, love. Horus was the god of the sky, and they believed life after death. The most peculiar thing about this civilization is about the mummification. Mummification is the storing of the dead body into embalmed form, or we can say mummification is preserving the body. It was kept in the tomb along with the things to be used by the dead in afterlife. Most pharaohs were buried in huge pyramids filled with riches after the burial of the pharaoh. All entry points to the pyramid were sealed. Pyramid is a triangle shaped building, and the mummies were made only for rurals and nobles. Only for the people who are very important rulers were given this. In lifestyle, most of them lived small dwellings made up of mud and brick. They used soap for bathing and applied perfumes and ointments. The Egyptians wore tunics. Tunics is mainly a long t-shirt which is till knees for men, and for women it is till ankle. Men, women of the upper classes wore wigs, jewelry, cosmetics, and leather sandals. And the normal diet of Egyptian was bread and beer. They supplemented it with vegetables such as onions, garlics, fruits such as dates and figs. They also ate fish, meat, and fowl. Music and dance were popular means of entertainment. Egyptians played music instruments like flutes, harp, trumpets, and for children they mainly played juggling and ball games. In architecture, huge stone pyramids, temples, dams, and irrigation canals constructed by ancient Egyptians are proofs of their expertise in architecture and construction technology. The pyramids were built in the period of Old Kingdom to bury Egyptian queens and kings. We can say it as pharaohs also. The pyramids had triangle or rectangular bases and sloping sides. Among famous pyramids in the Great Pyramid of Giza, the Great Pyramid is only wonder left of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Children, please omit administration, art and craft. That's all for today's class. Thank you and have a very good day, children. We'll meet in next class. Bye.